Let's start. Today we will see how to accept a symbol input from the user, in the Tradingview pinescript. The symbol means a stock name, so this is basically selecting stock from the input menu. This is an indicator function with a name, input symbol. Then we have used the input.symbol function. The default value is TSLA, which means Tesla. The title is select symbol. Finally, we have plotted the close. Let's add this indicator to the chart. So the default symbol is Tesla. The users can select any stock they want. How to use this symbol into a practical use, that we will see in a different tutorial. That's it. That's how you can accept a symbol input from the user, in the Tradingview pinescript. Thanks for watching.